Hello guys, welcome back to Tariq's class. So whenever you are handling a reading passage or a paragraph, the most important thing is to understand the main idea of the passage or the paragraph. The main idea is the main idea and every other paragraph will support the main idea. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to find the main idea. So 7 powerful tricks to spot the main idea every time. So the trick number 1, read the paragraph once. Don't overthink it. Now, ask yourself, what is the paragraph mostly about? Now, not a detail, don't look for the details, not an example, what is the big message? So the big message, that's the trick number 1. You have to understand what is the big message when you read it once, without overthinking. Now the trick number 2, look for the topic plus what the author says about it. Now this is the main idea equation. The main idea is mainly topic and author's point. Now what is topic? What is being discussed? So whatever it is talking about, that's the topic. Now what is author's point? What is the author, means what is the writer, whoever wrote it, saying about this discussed topic? Okay, the topic and what is the writer saying about this topic? Not your opinion, not other people's opinion. What is author talking about this topic? Now, let's try an example. So we know the equation, main idea is equal to topic plus author's point. So the example is, many students struggle with timed tests because anxiety interferes with their ability to focus. Now listen to it carefully. Many students struggle with the timed tests because anxiety interferes with their ability to focus. So what I want you to do is try to find what is the main topic of it. Take out a piece of paper and write about it. And what is the author's point about that topic? Take a minute and try to answer the question. Okay, now the topic is students and timed tests. What is the author's point? Anxiety hurts performance. Now let's use the equation. The main idea is the topic plus the author's point. So the main idea will be, so when it comes to students and timed tests, the anxiety hurts their performance. That's it. That's the main idea of this small sentence. When it comes to paragraph, you apply the same main idea equation. Now, the trick number 3. Check the first and the last sentence of the paragraph always. Now, what does the first sentence tell you? It introduces the main idea, and the last sentence will restate or reinforce the main idea. If the first sentence and the last sentence is talking about something similar, that is most likely the main idea. But remember, not all the time this concept will work out. So sometimes they put the main idea in the middle. So be careful, but this works most of the time. The first sentence and the last sentence, if they're talking about similar thing, then that is the most likely to be the main idea. Trick number 4, ignore examples and details. So you're gonna cross out statistics, like even a data or something, names, dates, specific examples, and comparisons. These are the things, after removing them, putting that aside, you will try to see whatever is left over, try to take out the main idea. Trick number 5, put it in your own word. Use only one sentence. Remember, if you can't say it simply, it means you don't have it. Now, these are the things you need to keep in mind, that whatever that sentence you come up with, it has to be broad, complete, not too specific, okay? We're looking for something broad, like general. In general, when you read it, just simply come up with a sentence that tells the main idea. Trick number 6, watch for the signal words. Now, when you're reading a reading comprehension or a paragraph, some of the words are going to signal you. They'll be like, hi, how are you? So those words, they're gonna be something about cause and effect. So when you see a word because, therefore, or as a result, it means one item is causing another part. Or you will see something like a contrast, like however, although, but. So when you see these words, means there is a problem going on. Now, conclusion. When do you understand this part is a conclusion? When you see overall, in summary, ultimately. So these are not the only words. You'll see similar to these words. They're going to be signaling you that look into this, something is happening. Something is causing, something is contrasting, or a conclusion is being made. Trick number 7. Okay, how many fingers? Yes, 7. Now, this trick will tell you what to avoid. So do not choose an answer that is only one detail. We talked about it, but we have to avoid more than that. Too extreme, something always, never, completely. These are the types of words will not talk about the main idea. Now, something that is true, but too narrow, means very specific. Remember, the main idea is broad and overall, in general, what is the topic. And okay, now let's review the 7 powerful tricks to support the main idea every time. So number 1, big message. Number 2, the equation, main idea is equal to topic plus author's point about that topic. Number 3, the first and the last sentence. Number 4, ignore statistics, names, dates, specific examples. Number 5, try to say it simply. If you can't say it simply, you don't have it. Now, number 6, the words, the signal words like cause and effect, because. And number 7, avoid extreme, too narrow. Look for something broad. Now, thank you very much for watching the video, guys. So next time when you are reading a reading comprehension or a paragraph and you are looking for the main idea, keep these 7 things in your mind. Thank you very much for watching the video, guys. If you want to learn about more powerful tricks about many different topics, so you can subscribe my YouTube channel, or you can also enroll into my online courses. I have SAT, SHSAT, 9th grade SHSAT online courses where I actually have video lessons, worksheets, and practice tests. You can go to tariqsclass.com, and now my new location is in 82nd Street and Roosevelt Avenue in Jackson Heights. It's a new location. Of course, you can contact me to get in-person lessons, or if you need anything else, only about education, of course. Thank you again.